Hey guys, what's going on? This is Dave here with Ceramic Pro of San Diego. Today we have here a 2020 Tesla Model Y with a whole laundry list of services that we did to it over the past couple days. Let's start with the 3M Satin Thundercloud color change wrap. Now originally this car is white and you're not going to be able to tell that anymore. Changed up the chrome badge to a satin black to match the chrome trim that the Model Ys only come with. Did some powder coating on the factory wheels. Now behind this hubcap, there's an actual wheel. Took everything off, powder coated everything again, satin black to match the rest of the trim on the car. Did all the window tinting on the car as well. We chose to go with 50% on the back just to make it go slightly darker, keep out that heat more importantly. And then on the front windows, we kept those at 70% and added the film again to keep out the heat of the car. Then to top it all off, we went with the Ceramic Pro gold package, and this girl is ready to roll.